I don't care.
Fix it, dumbass.
Why is that funny?
Is that true?
Yeah.
Hey, me too, brother. Me too.
You can talk to me if you want.
Is that cool? Give me like 2 minutes.
That make you feel better?
Why are you impressed? I'm depressed. Why are you depressed?
You are depressed. Why are you depressed?
That's like kind of the problem is I don't know why, just a lot of things. We're in lockdown and I'm alone and my family's on the other side of the world and just a lot, man.
That sucks. I'm very sorry.
Yeah, bro, that's tough, man. Yeah, living alone it definitely changes you.
Bro, I'm sorry.
That's okay, man. You ever felt depressed?
Yeah.
Yeah. What have you gone through? Have you gone through something recently too?
My girlfriend broke up with me a year ago, and I've been single since then. But it's fine. Life has to go on.
Yeah, my mom died. My mom died too.
Wow.
My great-grandmother died.
Were you guys close?
Really close.
I had a bad childhood, but I forgot about that. Like I genuinely, I don't remember it. You know what I mean? But I know I had one.
My girlfriend cheated on me with my best friend.
Oh shit! I'm sorry to hear that, man.
A lot of stuff, mainly family. A lot of things happen in life. You know, family, mostly school.
What helped you?
Nothing. Nothing has. I mean, I'm still currently going through shit. I'm used to it.
Well, the thing that makes me happy is video games.
Mine was just hanging out with friends. Like you just go chill with people or go out or something.
Getting outside helps.
As bad as it sounds, the bottle helps me, which only makes everything worse.
A dog is a great way to help depression. My mom has it and she's diagnosed with it, and it helped her so much getting a dog.
Sorry.
I mean, sleep helps. That's what I do. I sleep.
And what helped me was hanging with my family and stuff, and telling them I love them and stuff.
I think dogs help with depression, or dogs definitely help.
It really does help me. That's why I got him. Yeah, he's my dog's puppy. Yeah, her dog had puppies and she gave him to me.
Oh wow. Well, then I guess that's my answer from you guys. Get a dog.
Oh, well, I hope you feel better. I hope you get through this and you're really strong because look, you're still here.
I would say that to validate your feelings and to realize that it's not something that you're making up, it's not for attention, it's a valid illness and you just have to get help and work through it and that it will get better.
Can I show you some of my skills in swimming?
Sure.
Like, point it right here. Are you ready?
I'm ready. That's a pretty cool trick,
now
man.
You don't have to feel depressed no more.
Thank you for that.
You heard me?
What'd you say?
You're welcome. So now you don't have to feel depressed no more.
Thank you, bro. You put a smile on my face tonight, man.
You're welcome. I'm tired.
Get some rest, man. Thank you.
All right.
Peace, bro.